Hello everybody, welcome. We're here today in the Rocket Garage, and we've asked our good friend Ron to come and help us demonstrate some of the benefits and features of the new for 2009 Joe Rocket Yamaha Delta R jacket. Now the Delta R jacket, of course, it's a sport riding jacket, as you can see with the cut and the design. It is constructed from Rock Tex 600 ballistic nylon, very durable, very tough stuff. The jacket comes complete with a removable vest liner, removable CE-rated protectors in the shoulders, the spine, the elbows, again, all of which are removable. Now, speaking of the arm, the sleeve protectors, the elbow protectors, depending on how the jacket is fitting on your sleeve, you've got the option with these two sleeve adjusters. Each one has 3 settings. The idea is you can find the setting that actually snugs the sleeve up on you and brings that armor closer in. We want the armor fitting well and in its proper place. In the event that you ever do have to depend on it, it's going to be there to protect you inside the jacket. And moving down the sleeve to the cuff, as is standard on many of our textile jackets, we use the dual stage adjustable cuff. And to steal the phrase that was coined by Ron Popeil, this is a set it and forget it cuff. Now whether you choose to wear the jacket sleeve cuff over your gloves or gloves over the jacket sleeve cuff, well, you just find the appropriate setting, Velcro it down, and then you just use the zipper to get in and out of the jacket and get a good seal around your wrist. In the realm of adjustability, we also have the SureFit adjustable waistband. And of course, this just helps you snug the jacket up around your waist. And you'll notice the front hem. You see how the front hem is cut away? And that is so when you're on your sport bike in the proper riding position, you've got some room there and the jacket isn't bunching up and crowding your neck. Likewise, in the back, the hem is elongated, so when you are in the riding position, we want to cover your belt line and prevent air from getting down the back of your pants or, of course, up the back of the jacket. Speaking of being on the bike, you'll notice this flap here, the jacket does use a metal zipper. So this flap just protects your gas tank. We don't want to scratch any paint. And you'll see this tab has a neat stowaway function, and we're going to look at it right now as we examine the primary feature of this jacket, and that is the big air ventilation system. Ron, would you undo that zipper and show the people the big air vent system? Now notice the flap. You'll see there's a handy little Velcro tab. It wraps around the zipper pull, keeps it out of the way. Now the big air vent system, as you can see, it's quite simple yet ingenious. Free air poly mesh, 20 inches long by about 4 inches wide. You just zip it together. When not in use, it just tucks away and you don't even know it's there. You zip it up, and the idea is to allow a maximum flow of air through the jacket. With this front open, it's just like a cool breeze entering the jacket. And I say flow through because there are, of course, vents in the rear. We want the air to pass through the jacket. So you open these vents, the air flows through. We don't want it to balloon up and become a drag, literally. Ron, maybe hop on the bike and look at a couple. Now you'll notice when the big air vent system is being used in the front, the fit dimensions of the jacket change because we've created more space in the front of the jacket. So, again, we use abundant adjustability here so you can really cinch the jacket down at the waist. We want the jacket fitting properly and all its protective properties in place. So the mega adjustment really serves its purpose and comes in handy. For safety's sake, we've got a reflective pipe that runs down each side of the jacket. The Yamaha Delta R jacket is available in sizes small through 3 extra large. It's available in black, gray, white, as you see this color scheme, and black, yellow, white, as you see it hanging on the rack behind us here. For the Yamaha rider, for the Yamaha connoisseur, the Delta R jacket, new for 2009 from Joe Rocket. Ride smart. We'll see you out there.